I want the people to see aviation in a different light. I don't want to see it through a gangplank and a side window of an airplane. I want them to be able to see and touch aviation. I want them to be able to meet real pilots who work every day in this profession, who love flying, and who do amazing things in the air, both commercially, industrially, and for performance. And I think this is the opportunity to do that. We have a no-charge policy for children. I want to inspire some of them to take on aviation. I think it's an important industry, and it's also something that I think that not a lot of people think about having a career in. So I'm hoping that there'll be some inspiration and some people who later on in life say, I want to be a pilot, whether it be for the military or commercially.
Oh, that's great. A lot of fun. A lot of good pilots out today.
Okay. How about you?
What do you think? Is it fun?
I got a lot of emotion, like good emotion. Wow. And my son, all of this time, he said, wow, wow, Mom, look at that, look at that.
Tail flies, holding it. That's one of the longer tail flies.